Shareholders have revolted against the pay awarded to the Barclays boss at the bank's annual general meeting. Nearly 27% of investors voted against the bank's pay deals. The chairman apologised to shareholders for not sufficiently taking on board their views about large executive pay awards. Our business correspondent Emma Simpson reports.
Barclays Bank, a global player. Its boss, Bob Diamond, though, has sparked much of the controversy over executive pay. He was awarded a £6.3 million deal for last year, even though he admitted returns to shareholders were unacceptable. There were some small protests at the AGM today, but it was these folk, the shareholders, owners of the business, who were staging a quiet rebellion. Nearly 27% of them voted against the company's pay scheme.
I think it's absolutely exorbitant what Bob Diamond is getting. For the amount of dividend that we get, it's absolutely paltry.
Too much bonuses, not enough going back to the shareholders, so we come to put a protest vote in.
Inside, they heard an apology from the chairman for not communicating enough with shareholders when setting pay. That would change. It has to, given the scale of this protest.
It really is quite unprecedented. 90% of companies expect to get 90% support or more. Companies seeing this level of protest vote really should be asking deep and penetrating questions.
So shareholders have certainly made their voices heard today, including big institutional investors that run the likes of our pension funds. So could this be a turning point, with investors finally starting to flex their muscles?
In the US, shareholders recently rejected the pay deal for the boss of Citigroup. Scrutiny appears to be growing, but some say it can only go so far.
While shareholders have to be active, Barclays is actually a global bank with global investors, not just British investors, global customers, not just British customers, and we have to recognise they can't change the entire banking market. Only governments can do that.
The government is promising reform. For now, though, these shareholder votes still only have the power to embarrass. They sure achieved that, though, today. Emma Simpson, BBC News.